welcome back. So if you're wondering why I'm wearing the same t-shirt as last video, it's because I literally filmed a bunch of videos all at the same time. So I'm not wearing the same shirt just because I'm crazy. Although I do love Harry Potter. So, Earfleek. We haven't done an Earfleek video in quite a while. Part of that was because I moved. And all my mail went to my dad's house, which is about an hour and about 10-15 minutes from here. So, anyways, I had opened this Earfleek for this month. So, August, I believe. Yeah. And when I had received it, I got broken earrings, and it sucks so bad because these are really pretty. However, I am a crafter and I might be able to fix these. It seems like a pretty clean break. I'm not going to take them out of the package because I do want to attempt to fix them. However, I did contact Earfleek. Hi, camera. Okay. I did contact Earfleek, and they went ahead and sent me a new pair. The thing is I got two. And I think one is for July, which was a broken pair. And I think one might be for August, which is fine. I don't know which is which. So this is like quite literally going to be the July and August Earfleek video because it kind of just slammed together and it just is what it is. So we're just going to go and take it from here. So this is the first pair that I had opened. Here, Vinny, you want to hold this? And these are totally me. They're so cute. I love them so much. If I can get them out. Oh my goodness. They are like so stuck. Okay, so like it's been really hot here. And as you can see right there, yeah, it started to melt. But that's neither here or there. The earrings appear to be just fine. So it's all good. So these are the earrings that I received, I think as a replacement for the damaged ones. And these are really pretty. Let's see. My ears have not had earrings in them for quite a while. But I've had my ears pierced for like a really long time, so. I wish I had ears where you could just shove them in, but I don't. So I'm not even going to bother to try. So yeah, this would totally match what I'm wearing today, but as you can see, I like them because they're really long. But this is one of the pairs that I had received. We'll just call these my July replacement pair. And then, can I have the next ones? Serenity, can I have the next ones? Thank you. And then I'm going to call these my August pair. Ready? And these ones, I prefer like hoops or like dangly type earrings. But these are okay too. So that's what these are. It kind of reminds me of like a red eye, to be honest with you. But I have my ears pierced like 3 times here, 3 times here, and then once up here. So, I mean, I could totally like figure these out and stick them somewhere. So, yeah, I believe these are for August. Not bad. Not bad at all. And it looks like it is my birthstone, which I also like a lot. So, there we go. So, that will do it for Earfleek for July and August. And like I said, the only reason why my July video didn't come out was because my earrings were broken and then a family emergency happened. And I'm just now recording now. So, that does it. Now, if you're wondering, I have, I believe, the Boho Chic subscription for Earfleek. And out of all the subscriptions that I've tried before, this one's my favorite because I kind of get what I like style-wise versus anything else. So anyways, that's going to do it for this video, and I will see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye guys.